Welcome. In this quick and easy tutorial, I'll be showing you how to enable the timesheet module here in Zoho Projects. All right. By the way, by default, it is enabled right here in the left panel under Overview. Okay. If it's hidden, just gotta click on this drop down, and here you have the timesheet module. If it's not, or if it's not enabled, just go ahead over to the top right, click on the gear icon beside your profile, like so. Now in the left panel, we have here customizations. Okay. Just click on it. And once done, under customization, we have modules. Click on it. Now, if timesheet right here is available, just make sure that it is on. And once done, all you need to do is just click on update right here. Wait for the process to finish. It will restart your browser. There you go. And when you go ahead and go back, like so, timesheets right here should now be available. Okay. That's how easy it is to enable the timesheet module here in Zoho Projects. Well, I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.